This is your Striven release preview video for the update coming out on May 31st, 2020. And this video will be covering accounting features in Striven. Let's start by talking about bills and how bills are being updated with this release. This next release will update bills and how the transaction number appears. The new update will make it so that the reference number on any bill will now show as the bill number. So if I search for bills here, I can go into a bill itself, where here we see transaction number 392. So I click into that transaction. We can see here the reference number is blank. So I update the reference number to be 4051, let's say, and click Save. You'll see that the new bill number is now 4051, as it appears in the reference number over here. If we refresh our transactions list, you'll see that reference number displayed here as the new transaction number. We're also updating the recurring transactions list. You can find the recurring transactions list by clicking Accounting and then Recurring Transactions and followed by List. The recurring transactions list displays all the transactions that have recurrences. And here we can see the next date that a new transaction will be created, as well as the last date that a transaction was created. And the last created date, if we click it, will bring up a pop-up window where we can see all the last created transactions from the latest all the way down to the first transaction created along the lines of the recurrence. And as I click close, I can do the same thing on any of these recurring transactions that appear and see all the recurrences and transactions that are related. Along the lines of the recurring transactions, we've also updated the email notification that goes out related to recurring transactions. We can find this by clicking Company and then Settings from the drop-down. Once we're in the settings, click Company and then Notification and Portal Content. Now I'm going to search for Recur as the title, and here we can see all of the recurrence notifications that go out from the system. And here we have recurring transactions auto-generated. If I click on that link, you'll see here we have a merge field that will take you to the latest created transaction with the recurrence. We've also added a new merge field into an email content for autopay. So I'll type in auto underneath title and click search. This particular notification content is new invoice receipt and in parentheses autopay. If I click this content header, we'll be able to see all the content within, and we've added a new merge field for payment amount. This way, we can show how much of the invoice has been paid via autopay. And that's a look at all of the accounting updates that will be released on May 31st, 2020.